From December start.
Every day is Christmas.
Yes, this is my first Christmas vlog. I have nothing to do today, so I'm gonna wash my hair, cook, study, and you guys are gonna follow me. Yeah, I know, fun. Anyway, I'm gonna wash my hair. As you can tell, it's probably in a state, and I'm not showing you guys. Bye!
Got the bass bumping in the trunk thumping.
Okay, so this feel lopsided. This looks lopsided. Okay, that's not the best it's gonna get, like I said, but yeah. So time to move on with the day. Let's go.
2 hours later.
So I tied down my hair. I wasted like 2 hours on Twitter alone, then nothing else for the day. So I'm gonna do my work now, and then I'm gonna cook after and see what we can get done for the day. Just saying.
Got the bass bumping in the trunk thumping.
A few moments later.
So I know you guys heard that. I set off the fire alarm. Doing a dish that I've done all 1,000,001 times. But I couldn't get the windows open while the smoke was happening. So the smoke set off the fire alarm. Yep. That's how you know when your day is crap. So hi, hello again. I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna watch some Glee, and I'm gonna finish up my assignment for tomorrow. Then I'm gonna head to bed. This vlog is going up in a matter of like a few minutes, since this is how this whole Vlogmas thing works. So I told you guys not to expect too much out of this first vlog. Rest of December might be interesting, you know. You guys normally want to know a day. What am I saying? You guys normally want to know a day in the life of Kevisha. It's not spectacular. I keep telling you guys this. So we'll see how the rest of the month goes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And tune in tomorrow for the next Vlogmas, day 2. Day 1 was a complete failure, especially since I took off the fire alarm. But yeah, bye guys. Until next time.
from December start.
Every day is Christmas.